Traveling abroad? Planning a festival trip? Struggling with signal in remote areas? Or just want a better deal? eSims are transforming how you stay connected. eSims offer instant, affordable data connectivity without the hassle of physical SIM cards. Getting started is a breeze. Search for a plan that fits your needs, purchase and download. No contracts, no plastic SIMs. Just simple, immediate connectivity when you need it. Say goodbye to slow, unsecure public Wi-Fi. With an eSIM, you'll enjoy fast, reliable data anywhere, keeping you safe and connected wherever you roam. Explore more, worry less. Stream, scroll and share without the shock of roaming fees. Stay linked to your security and banking apps with total peace of mind. Need more data? Top up anytime, anywhere in just seconds. The best part? Your data eSIM works seamlessly alongside your regular SIM. Keep your existing number and contract while using apps like WhatsApp and Messenger freely with your eSIM data. Need to keep everyone connected? Whether it's a family holiday or just keeping all your devices connected, eSims make it easy. Sort out eSims for everyone or tether your devices effortlessly with just a few taps. Experience the eSIM difference today. Simple, flexible, always connected.